Alright, so right now we're gonna be starting to react to this guy. My uncle taught his bird how to feed him, which is crazy.
Did they chuck you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they said you can come back and you pay for quid.
Yeah, I saw the chandelier was dropping the roof down.
Did they chuck you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they
Oh my god. Don't run, Kobe! Kobe! Don't run! Slow down!
Oh, I remember doing this when I was younger. I used to live on the countryside. Ooh,
Oh god.
so much fun. Oh god.
Slow down.
Slow down, babies!
Don't run, Bobby. Just walk.
It's okay. It's only mud. It's only mud.
It's only mud.
It's only mud. Oh.
Oh lord.
So funny. Wait till you.
Oh my god. Don't run,
Oh
Kobe!
my god.
Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, buddy, ready? You ready?
I'll be like that someday.
You ready, Teen? You ready? You ready? Ready? Are you ready?
Oh, he got him? Wow, the accuracy after he got
Yo,
that.
stop hitting him so.
What's up, Walter? Clark, you want me? Here, hold on. I got it. Here.
This guy. Oh my god, he thought he was gonna get help. No boy.
Where's Dad? There he is! There's Dad right there! There's Dad! There he is! He has the ball! He has the ball! He has the ball! He's number 17! He's number 17! He's number 17! I can see 17! There he is! Get it, Eve? He
The
has
fact that
it!
they're streaming this
Good
is crazy
pass!
to me. Oh my god. That's
Where's
hilarious.
Dad? There he is! There's Dad right there! Here we go!
Oh my
Here we
goodness.
go!
Gotta measure this. I said fucking hold it. Hey. Gotta measure this.
Well,
I said fucking hold it.
la niña de papá. Oh my god. She's watching and he's grinding Fortnite with the boys. Maybe just randoms, but still that's funny. You know something. Oh, mannequin. I had to join. Flipping kid thing is more just kid. He was not having it. Oh yeah, I will be a big man. Get this thing off me. Oh, I thought he was gonna throw in the ground. Ooh, he's getting looking window.
What did you guys do?
No break. Oh my god. Yeah. All gas, no brakes. Oh. She's a danger.
Turn in the driveway!
fact that his brother is able to do that.
Driveway. Oh, that's one way to get there. That's a tree. Oh, we missed it. Driveway, baby.
Oh god, what a menace. What a menace.
What are you doing?
Hold on.
Oh, hold up. He's trying to break a record in some type of game.
Golden racket, Mario Tennis, baby.
Mario
Impossible with regular
Tennis
fingers.
is crazy. He's using hacks. IRL
Fast
hacks.
hands to the west.
No way.
I don't know. That's what that tool was intended.
That's funny.
Well, it is now.
Oh, gotta teach them young. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's a nice trick. Oh god. That's beyond impressive. Wow.
Mom told me it was wiggling, not raining. My mom said it is raining. It's wiggling outside, maybe. Mommy said raining. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, you're pretty. And you're not real. I'm real. And that's raining. Ow! It is raining. It's okay. It's raining. You poked my heart.
Poke my
It's
heart.
okay.
You poke
You poked
my
my
heart.
heart. Dear. You poked my heart. Mom told me it was big. I want food.
You want food?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of food do you want?
I don't want to tell you.
Oh, what?
Okay, can I give you some options? Or at least tell me what kind of food you want. Can you do that, or do you want me to pick? Do you want me to pick?
Yeah.
Okay, can you at least tell me what kind of food you want? Mexican, Italian.
No. I want food.
You want food?
Oh, that guy just. I don't really like this. Maybe they're not all bad.
Eso. Yo no sé. Eso. Pero si te probas y la quitas una vaina. Varón, esa vaina sabe raro, varón, güey.
No, Dominicans.
¿Y tú estás grabando? Anda ya. ¿Y tú estás grabando? Lo que este tipo sí graba, compadre. Varón. Él no para de grabar. ¿Usted no ve que ese jugo sabe como a guachupita?
¿A qué?
Yo no quiero jugo.
¿Para qué más esa vaina?
What you beat there?